Welcome back. Present Calangute PI Nilesh Rane is alleged of flaying high-handedness at a bar and restaurant in Calangute. The applicant, who is a manager at the bar, informed that PI visited the premises without any justification and directed closure of the business, terming it as illegal. Applicant Ravikant Yadav said that no FIR has been filed in Calangute police station against the PI in spite of his complaint. MAPSA JMFC has ordered that the FIR should be registered immediately.
The police inspector in charge of Calangute, Nilesh Rane, is alleged of trespassing a bar and restaurant without any justification. Applicant Ravikant Yadav alleged in the complaint that Nilesh Rane visited and demanded closure of the business, claiming it is illegal business at the bar. Applicant further alleged in the complaint that on 18 September 2013, PI along with police personnel entered in premises and started beating the customers in total violation of the law. It is also stated that PI was instructed to pressurize the staff at the bar and restaurant. He also mentioned that on 5th November 2013, the applicant approached North Goa SP Priyanka Kashyap with the complaint, but no action was initiated on the said complaint. Judicial Magistrate First Class has ordered detailed investigation into the complaint dated on 28 October 2013 and the FIR should be filed as per the complaint of the applicant. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Congress has come down heavily on BJP government over the Tenancy Act of Terracotta people. Alex Reginald said BJP has turned away from the assurances made to the people of Terracotta. Alex Reginald informed that legal system needs to be amended to give justice to the people in Terracotta.
Now the question is, Agricultural Tenancy Act is at stake. Ji act keloli barik lokak medpak tezo foda fruits should go to the poor man. This same government, the BJP government, is not doing anything. On the contrary, putting them on the streets. Time and again, I munitaha tenka promise kelale, tenka ashwasan dilale, ki ami parivartan sarkar yelo, ami first thing we will help you. Finally, dengele ata aksharsha paristhiti yela, they are threatened of their existence. Munche dengele gor नाच जावपाचे तेंगेले जे शेती एग्रीकल्चर कोत्ताले ओ कित कोत्ताले ते नाच जावपाची परिस्थिती येयला लीडिंग hotels it's a 200 room hotel project and the project consists of half in Karnataka half in Maharashtra. This is a project I raise केलेलो गोंया आणि महाराष्ट्र merge करपा हो एक project म्हणून. Half is in Karnataka, the major part Maharashtra, the major part is in Maharashtra and the major part revenue chod sosato Maharashtra.
Now with what?
Leading hotels. We should amend this act so that such type of cases after 17 years, even the limitation period is 12 years. Period of limitation is 12 years. After 17 years you open and set aside. 20 years, 17 to 20 years you set aside. This is injustice to, I demand that justice to be given. If at all the legal system needs to be corrected, we have to amend the legal system.
Casino Pride staff arrested some people who attempted to introduce fake casino chips. 4 alert employees of Casino Pride were felicitated by the company. Management of Casino Pride feels that given the quality of imitation of the chips and professional nature of the accused, it was a very difficult task for the staff to identify. But they managed to catch them red-handed and got them arrested.
Felicitated employees are Ashwini Shirodkar, Sarvesh Vaingankar, Ashwin Mendonca and Samir Sodankar. These employees were awarded for their alertness and presence of mind at work. Casino Pride felicitated the staff for their extraordinary efforts to identify and catch a fake chip scam. Some people tried to imitate the casino chips on board. In their first attempt to cheat, the alert employees managed to catch the culprits red-handed. All the people involved in cheating were handed over to Panji police for further investigation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.